BL technology BL202 is an EtherCAT Distributed IO coupler, support EtherCAT protocol. The dual network ports adopt the MAC layer data exchange technology to realize the cascade between modules, and the downtime of the middle module will not affect the data transmission of the following equipment. One coupler can work with maximum of 32 I/O modules, various types of I/O modules to choose from, for example AI, DI, DO, AO, RTD, RS485, etc. Combine different I/O modules to meet application needs. It is widely used in digital factories, smart buildings, wind power monitoring systems, and other scenarios. BL technology established in 2005. Customers in more than 190 countries and regions. Specializes in designing and manufacturing industrial IoT gateways, edge computing gateways, industrial I/O module, 4G industrial routers, etc. Making IoT and automation easier.